One of the more popular events in the sport of strongman is the sandbag toss. The only problem is, a lot of the options out there just ain't bougie enough. And you know what? We're a bunch of bougie here. So that's why we did this. We made our own DIY throwing sandbag with our Heritage series and our Latigo strap. And you know what? This ain't winning any beauty pageants, but we're just gonna toss the out of it anyways. This ain't winning no beauty pageants, but then again, neither am I. Fade out. All right. Hey. All right, y'all. So we chose to go with two different leathers for this throwing bag. The first one for the body is the Heritage series. Now this stuff is super nice because it's a combination tanned leather, right? So it's gonna have the best of both worlds, so to speak. It's nice and supple, so when we're throwing it, it's not too stiff, but it does also have that structure, so it's not just flopping around. So it's also gonna hold up to the abuse and all the chucks because it has a lot of wax and oil content in it. So it's a really ideal choice for this and a lot of other projects like backpacks, bags that you're gonna use a lot outside. Heritage series is super good for that. So the other thing that we used was for the straps, and this is the Latigo. Now, this stuff is really nice because it's nice and firm. It's got a lot of wax and oil content to it as well. So it's gonna hold up super, super well. It's pretty firm initially, but we noticed as we're throwing it after a couple hundred times, it broke in really nice and it was super comfortable to hold. So this stuff is also really good for like dog collars, leashes, things that are gonna see a lot of activity. There you go. Hey. We're here today at Hidden City with the strong men and strong women of Vancouver throwing some bags. Wow. All right, y'all, after a couple hundred throws over a bunch of different sessions, this is what the bag looks like. As you can see, the leather still looks great. It's a little scratched up from the pavement. Who cares about that? You know, it's still held up. The stitches look great. You know, we did have to beef up the rivets because, you know, our camera guy didn't really know how to set them too well, but, you know, that's all right. Hey, man. Hey, let's hug this out. Hey, come on, man. Hey.
I don't want to do this. I don't do it.
Look, I'm really sorry, man.
It's always me. So always making fun of me. Nobody makes fun of Brian.
I thought we were doing a bit.
What bit?
And genuinely, I didn't mean to offend you. I thought you could handle that joke, but, you know, I get it, man.
I mean, I can handle a few things, not like every single thing.
It's like, I understand why that upset you, and I apologize. Just because you couldn't set rivets this couple times doesn't mean you can't set them and you're not good at other things.
You didn't have to say it in front of
camera. Look, I think you're really good. You're really nice. Whatever. You got a really nice shirt on today. So, you know, I'm really sorry, all right?
Whatever.
Look,
Thanks.
I got a coupon. Do you want me to take you out for ice cream, buddy? Would you like that? Do you like ice cream? Hey,
yeah,
come on. Come on, pal, let's go.
Yeah, man, let's get some ice cream.
All right, Slugger, let's go. All right, y'all. Now this is the finished bag. After some refurbishing, some re-riveting, it's ready to get thrown around again, ready to get chucked. Brother, we're gonna throw this thing till the wheels fall off or until the rivets pop up. Now, if you think you can throw this thing and break it, I don't know if you can, but if you think you can, leave us a message, send us a DM, and we'll see what you got. All right? Look, I think you're really good. You're really nice. You're a good guy.
Keep going. Just do the same thing. You're really nice.
Look.